Here's a walkthrough of Rolling Stone, 48 counts, 2 walls, no tags, no restarts. Let's get going. The weight's on your left. You're going to walk straight forward, right and left foot on 1, 2. Bring a right behind left and do an anchor step with your right foot on 3 and step back right, sweeping left, 4. Do a left sailor step with 1/8 of a turn to the left corner. That's on 5 and 6. Step right forward, 7. You do a quarter turn over your right, stepping left to the left side and step right next to left on count number 8. This one, the forward quarter together, it becomes kind of like a little jump. So that's step right forward, 7 and 8. But be careful not to jump up, okay? The weight's on your right foot now. Rock left to the left side, 1. Recover right foot with a quarter, 2. Do 2 traveling sambas. Stepping left forward slightly in front of your right foot on 3 and 4. Repeat with your right foot, 5 and forward, 6. Place your left forward, 7. Swivel both heels to the left side and 8. The weight on your right foot. Do a left back rock, 1, 2. Do a lock step with a half turn over your right shoulder on 3 and 4. You step quarter side, in front, quarter back. You do a backwards rocking chair with your right foot on 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, when you do that backwards rocking chair, for styling, in the chorus, that's the 2nd, the 4th, and the 6th wall. He sings down in the music. So therefore, to accent that in the music, you can choose to, when you rock back on your right, to lift your left heel off the floor and bend in both knees. So that way you're showing the word down. So that's on 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? So moving on from here, you're going to do a heel jack. So you're going to step back on your right foot and touch your left forward and 1. Recover left, 2. Do a right samba step squaring up to 12 o'clock on 3 and 4. Touch your left heel in front of right on 5. Grind a quarter turn left, stepping back on your right on 6. Do a left coaster step on 7 and 8. Traveling into the right corner, do a right Dorothy step on 1, 2, and now traveling to the left side, do a syncopated vine on 3, 4, and cross right over left, 5, do a step slide to the left side on 6, 7, ball cross, and 8. When you do that step slide to the left, you accent the boo in the music. So you slide on boo, ball cross, and 8. You rock right to the side on 1. Recover with a quarter left, 2. Full turn around, 3, 4. Rock right forward on 5, 6. Then you jump back, right, left, and 7. Clap, clap, and 8. Notice when I jump back, I step back, back. I don't step together. Okay, so it really is back, back, clap, clap. And now you're ready to start from the top again, walking right, left. Okay, there's no real ending needed because you're actually going to finish the dance facing the front wall. When you do the rock step on 5, 6, and 7, clap, clap, ta-da! There you go. That was a walkthrough of Rolling Stone.